Hi, good morning. Today the topic we are going to discuss about is advanced queuing models in probability and queuing theory. Before going into queuing theory, we must know some representation for queuing models. That representation is given by Kendall's notation for representing queuing models. That representation is A, B, C, D, E. A stands for inter-arrival time, that is inter-arrival distribution, and B is service time distribution, C number of channels or servers, D stands for the system capacity, and E is the queue discipline. Then in advanced queuing models, we have three types. First type is MG1, infinity first in first out, which we have seen already. Now we are going to see type 2 problems, that is MD1, infinity first in first out. M is the arrival time following Poisson distribution. D is service time following constant distribution with single server, infinite capacity, first in first out. This second type problem we are going to see now. So second type is MD1 infinity first in first out. The service time here follows constant distribution, so variance of T is 0, that is sigma square is 0. So from the pk formula, when we substitute sigma square as 0, we get ls as rho plus rho square by 2 into 1 minus rho, where rho is lambda by mu. Then LQ, WS and WQ are the same formulas as given by type 1 also. Now we can go for the problem. First problem, a car manufacturing plant uses one big crane for loading cars into a truck. Cars arrive for loading by the crane according to a Poisson distribution with mean of 5 cars per hour, given that the service time for all cars is constant and equal to 6 minutes. Determine LS, LQ, WS and WQ. So in the given question itself, the service time for all cars is constant and is equal to 6 minutes. So the given problem is MD1 infinity first in first out model. So we have to find the mean arrival rate, mean service rate. From the given question, it is given that cars arrive for loading by the crane according to a Poisson distribution with mean of 5 cars per hour. So mean arrival rate lambda is 5 per hour. Then service time, it is given as service time is constant and is equal to 6 minutes. So service time is given as 6 minutes. From this we are going to calculate mean service rate. Mean service rate is mu, that is inverse of mean service time, so 1 by 6 per minute. We have to note that mean arrival rate lambda and mean service rate mu both must be in the same unit. Lambda is 5 per hour, mu is 1 by 6 per minute. So we convert mu 1 by 6 per minute into hour. So 1 by 6 into 60 gives us 10, that is per hour. So mean service rate mu we have converted from minutes to hours, so that both lambda and mu will be of the same unit. Next we calculate rho as lambda by mu. Lambda is 5, mu is 10, so 5 by 10 is 1 by 2. Then since the service time is constant, we have a pk formula, ls equal to rho plus rho square by 2 into 1 minus rho. Substitute the value of rho as 1 by 2, we get ls as 0.75. Then we calculate LQ. LQ is ls minus lambda by mu. ls is 0.75 and lambda by mu is 1 by 2. So when we substitute, we get LQ as 0.25. Then WS is 1 by lambda into LS, 1 by 5 into the value of LS is 0.75. When we multiply 1 by 5 and 0.75, we get 0.15 har, because both lambda and mu we have taken an har, that's a per unit. Then WQ is 1 by lambda into LQ, again substitute lambda as 5 and LQ as 0.25, we get it as WQ as 0.05 har. We go for the second problem. Second problem is a one-man barber shop takes exactly 25 minutes to complete one haircut. If the customer arrive at the barber shop in a Poisson fashion at an average rate of 1 every 40 minutes, how long on the average a customer spends in the shop? Also find the average time a customer must wait for service. So given a one-man barber shop and it takes exactly 25 minutes to complete one haircut. So each haircut takes 25 minutes. So it is a constant service time. So it follows the second type, that is the given problem is MD1 infinity first in first out model. So we have to find lambda and mu from the given question. Lambda is the arrival rate, but given us the arrival time, that is customers arrive at the barber shop in a Poisson fashion at an average rate of 1 every 40 minutes. So arrival time is 40 minutes. So arrival rate is 1 by 40 per minute. Then service time is 25 minutes. So service rate is 1 by 25 per minute. Here lambda and mu both are of the same units, that is minutes. So we calculate rho. Rho is lambda by mu. 1 by 40 by 1 by 25 is 5 by 8. Since service time is constant, we have by pk formula ls equal to rho plus rho square by 2 into 1 minus rho. Substitute rho as 5 by 8. We get ls as 55 by 48. Substitute ls in the LQ formula. Then we get LQ as 25 by 48. Then WS is 1 by lambda into LS. Lambda is 1 by 40. So 1 by lambda is 40. LS is 55 by 48. Multiply both the terms. We get it as 45.833 minutes. Because lambda and mu we take it in minutes. Then WQ is 1 by lambda into LQ. 1 by lambda is 40. LQ is 25 by 48. We have calculated here. Multiply both the terms. We get 20.833 minutes.